Hey guys, welcome to my channel RKTalks, and today I have received a long-awaited package, the Nikon Z6 II. So I thought I might do a quick unboxing video and see what comes in the box. By the way, this channel is primarily about photography, videography, with of course cameras and also drones. So if you like my content, please subscribe and don't forget to give a thumbs up. It surely helps my channel. So enough of that, without further delay, let's get on with it. So as you can see it in front of me, I just got the body itself because I also own the Z6, the camera that is recording me right now. Let's just open the box. So of course the user manual. This is a genuine Nikon warranty. I did not buy the gray market product because it's an expensive product and I really didn't want to risk it. Let's get it out of the box. So this is the camera body, as you can see, nicely wrapped in bubble wraps. I'll just have a look at this later on. I'll just get the accessories out. The strap, I believe, cables, and there's not too many things, but I'll just keep this here. Get the box out of the shot and let me just arrange the accessories a bit. Okay. So let's look at the camera at last. Let's see what else it comes with. Obviously the battery itself, the EN15C. The beauty of this one is it can charge and record at the same time, which is very important for video recording, as I will describe later. Yep, so EN15C. I'll just keep it here. This is a USB-A to USB-C cable. I normally don't use these cables because I have plenty and I just use one of my own. The strap, I will never get this out. I use Peak Designs straps. When I use the straps, I actually normally don't use the straps. I just use the Peak Designs clip with my backpack and keep it in my shoulder. I really love that proper weight balance between the backpack and the camera itself rather than putting all the pressure on my neck. But yeah, this is the strap that comes with, and this is very flashy. I don't really like very flashy straps. This is the C7 plug. This is, as you can tell, this is the Australian version. The battery charger, I'll just get it out for this video, but I normally don't use this either. I charge my Z6 forever in the USB-C port. But yeah, it's a good thing if you have a secondary battery, which I will purchase eventually. You can simultaneously charge two batteries before you go out for a long trip or really long trip or a really long days of shooting videos and stuff. So this is MH25A. If you, in case misplaced one, that's what you are gonna order. This also came with Nikon Z6, as far as I remember. No, just this came with the Nikon Z6 as far as I remember. This is a cable protector, I believe. I have to refer to the manual, but it is just when you attach external monitors or use HDMI cables like Atomos Ninja 5 and stuff. This is what you connect to protect the cables, they say, or the ports. I believe it's just to avoid any trips and stuff. So this is it. Like, really not too much to show here anyway, and I guess you guys already know, but this is what you guys are waiting for anyway, so I'll just get on with it. It's nicely wrapped and protected, which I always like. Right, so this is the camera. It has the screen protector, which I will remove obviously. The top LCD monitor, the really good Z mount, and as you can tell, this is the Z6 too. So I mean, because I've been using the Z6 for so long now, I know that if you gave me Z6 or Z6 II, I would not be able to tell whether it's a Z6 or 2 without looking at this logo. But yeah, there is another way obviously to see if it has 2 memory slots. So it is Z6 II. So this is the CF Express or XQD. I personally use XQD because that's what I bought before the firmware update for Z series cameras, especially for Z6 and Z7. So I always had the XQD and I keep using that. Nice addition is the SD card, and I will use the SD card as well for a backup. I believe I like the backup portion. I'm not a wedding photographer, so I don't know how the wedding photographer would use the Z6 or Z7 without a backup. I would not do that. But yeah, so this is the mic and the headphone port with the flimsy, very flimsy rubber caps. This is the only thing that get me tensed when I open this port to charge with this USB-C port. But yeah, I mean, it has to be done. So, and when I use the monitor, I use the monitor in here with the mini HDMI port. This is the remote shutter port. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll just keep it close to the camera a bit. This is it, guys. Nikon Z6 II. Very nice camera, exactly as it is in Z6. I will come up with a video, 2 videos actually. I've been using the Z750 for a long time, since the day it came out. And primarily I am a portrait and landscape photographer. But then again, I don't really am a pro photographer. So my channel overall is focused on people who are very enthusiastic about what they do, but not really after earning money on stuff. So the reason why I get Z6 II and why I moved from D750 to mirrorless, I have decided to create 2 separate videos. So keep an eye for them. It definitely helps if you subscribe and click the bell icon if you're interested in that topic. I think I can add some value to that discussion. So this is pretty much it. So the Nikon Z6 II unboxing with the accessories. See you in the next video. Bye.